A new Indiana law effective this summer will expand what can be transported in an oversized divisible load. It will also increase the amount of weight that trucks can transport from 80,000 pounds to 120,000 pounds under a permit. Zeke Torres joins us now with the details. Zeke.
Mike, before vehicles carrying overweight divisible loads were for limited businesses, but this law expands that to other sectors. Officials with INDOT tell me permits for overweight divisible loads have been in effect for years here in Indiana. Now, the next priority is to keep roadways drivable. Under House Bill 1190, overweight divisible load permits will no longer be limited to just agricultural and metal commodities. For Brampton Brick manager Chris Eggy, he sees the new legislation as a way to keep his business competitive.
This is a massive advantage logistically from a clay brick standpoint. Our commodity obviously has a heavy transportation total weight. So we weren't able to fill the entire truck up before we met the weight limitations, and now we can.
The new transporting weight of 120,000 pounds includes the truck and cargo weight. According to Scott Manning with INDOT, the agency's biggest concerns with the legislation was possible road damage. Trucks wanting to haul overweight divisible loads will be required additional axle and brake components.
Equally distributing the weight is really key to making sure you don't put too much stress on a single axle load as it's driving across our pavement and bridges. That helps make sure that we don't sustain damage.
If a truck exceeds weight allowed on a road, they will be required to find an alternate route. Indiana State Police Sergeant Matt Ames urges everyone to drive with caution.
What we ask for just a general motorist as you're traveling around any semi-tractor trailer is just to be aware, make sure that you're leaving extra room for that tractor or trailer so that way that they can maneuver themselves around.
Now, as a reminder, non-divisible objects such as heavy machine equipment operate under different circumstances. However, this law goes into effect on July 2021. Mike.